Here we are. We just returned those boat batteries to Batteries Plus. We hit Menards and Harbor Freight, and it was awesome, wasn't it?
Always.
Yep, she agrees. So you know it was. And now we're gonna scope out, let's just say scope out our first day trip, our first day camping trip, just to make sure everything's kosher, because they were gonna close, we heard they were gonna close off parts of it, and so we're gonna go scope out where we're gonna go, maybe even this week, maybe. So we're gonna go to Gull Lake Recreation Area. Hopefully it'll be awesome. And diesel here is $5.29 a gallon. Premium is $4.50 a gallon. And sadly, I use both because my boat takes premium. And I have two diesel trucks, one on the camper. So I can go 6 miles till I use up a gallon. We haven't been down here in many years, so we're expecting to see a lot of changes, like up at Cross Lake Recreation Center up there when I showed you the dam. There was a lot of changes there, so things change a lot quickly. A lot quickly, is that a word? Quickly a lot. Yeah. Ernie's. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Gull Lake Resort. Hey, a jogger. Cool. Maybe the campground's open. What do you think?
We'll find out.
Yeah.
There's a person cleaning up right there. The bridge looks open.
Look at there, a payphone. Hey, there's campers. Hey, campground's open.
Maybe. Could ask.
No, it is. I see campers up there.
Might be the host.
No, there's more than one.
Is there?
Yeah, let's go have a look. Nice. Here's where we'll come for day use. We could just park the camper here. Plenty of room. Park it face in here. And then we'll have day use of all of this. Heck.
You gonna go in the swings?
I may want to go home and get the camper now. The water levels are sky high here. They are sky high. Look, the grill is in the water. See it? This is great. The fishing is going to be phenomenal. Although the hiking trail looks like it's flooded out. There's a hiking trail that usually goes by the river here. Danger, strong currents and undertow. No swimming or wading. Yeah. What do you think?
Looks nice.
She's a person of many words. Many. Look at this. Look at these water levels. Fishing usually doesn't get really good here till the end of May, June. That's been my experience anyway. The water gets a little warmer. Here's a fish cleaning station right here. A little pier here.
Down there.
Yeah.
That I used to look for mushrooms in.
Oh. Well, the birding's probably pretty good.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, I haven't seen much yet here. I just got here, but
No.
usually, in fact, I wonder. Sometimes they nest on the other side now. I think maybe the water's too high for them now.
It might be.
Could be.
Down here talking to one of the locals. He says there's a 10. You can catch 10 northern here. Their limit's 10. It's usually 3 in the lake, so that's nice to know. You catch 10 northerns a day. That's between me and Candy, that's 20 northerns. That's a lot of fish. That's a lot of freezer stocking. Drinking water, don't use it for flushing your tanks, folks. Restrooms, nice. It's nice and clean. It is the beginning of the season, but you know, if you've ever watched any of our Minnesota state parks videos, they really do it up here. It's really nice. Oh, open. Cool. We're gonna drive through the campground here, but being I'm over here by the restroom anyway, let's have a look at these campsites. There's power here. Nice and level. Look at that. I guess this is a high place to put. If you want to cook on your table, it keeps it up off the. There's like a plastic coating on this table, and that must keep, if you're going to cook something, off of from melting the plastic. Here's a free knife. Okay, we'll take that. Fire pits. Not exactly level, but close enough. This one's perfectly level across the way here. Reserved 5'6" to 5'8". It's got the person's name. Okay, you can reserve apparently. Okay. I see some fifth wheels and stuff. We'll go get in the car and drive around real quick and have a look, show you guys, because I know everyone wants to stay here. You're clamoring to stay here. It's not that you're saying it out loud, because I can't hear you, but I feel you. There she is. Candy says the hoses are up for the, yeah, well, I just showed you that. So this thing is, it says campground full.
That's just, they turn.
Oh, they got it turned around. Okay. Is it open in there?
Nobody's in there, but I got some reading material.
What'd you get?
Oh, just different areas for the.
Leech Lake.
Yeah, all kinds.
Oh, good. That'll come in handy.
McGregor, there's one in McGregor.
McGregor, yeah, I like that place.
Yeah. Okay.
Campsite fees, $28 a night. That's not bad.
No.
They had power too.
Yeah, they got power.
So yeah, that's actually really
So
good.
it opens May 1st.
May 1st, it's open now.
Yeah.
Heck yeah! Look at that.
I feel like using it just because it's here.
Does it ring? Does it work?
No, there's no dial tone. Maybe you gotta put money in. When we were kids, years ago, down where we grew up, there was a bank of telephone payphones, and every time we went by, we'd do the coin release, and we used to get some money.
Yeah, I did too. I did too. I always go to the car drive-through phones and just to hit that little thing.
Yeah.
That's how.
Like 25 cents. That'd buy you like 25 plus pieces of candy.
Yeah. Here, this is for you. I got this for you.
Oh, what is it?
It's a butter knife.
Thank you.
It's silver.
Appreciate it. It's not silver.
Yeah, it is.
I'll put a piece of ice on to see if it melts. That's how you tell if it's silver or not.
All right then. All right, let's have a look around here now, because we're too lazy to walk.
No, we're not.
No, we're not. We're just easier to drive. I know they have some hiking trails here. I know they have some, what do they call it?
Indian mounds?
Indian mounds or something, or they used to. It's been a while
Oh,
since.
I'm sure that's kind of a historical site. You can't destroy those.
It's a lot of wetland here. Keep tents off the grass. Quiet hours are 10 to 6 like most places.
Oh, looks like somebody's gonna rent that place right there.
Yeah, they're all this weekend.
Oh yeah.
They're all reserved.
Yeah, look at that. This one, that one.
Yeah.
Wow.
They have some, these are all really nice
That's nice.
gravel.
I wonder what the stay is. How long the stay is.
Yeah, it looks like they're full up for this weekend. Here's a little scamp here and a fifth wheel.
Oh, there's one that's open.
Yeah, here's one we could reserve right here.
Oh, that's a
Reserve
nice
site before. Oh yeah, that is a nice
one. You
one.
can go online and do it. I think that's the preferred method. Oh yeah, you're right. There's quite a few campers.
Yeah. Open for business.
There's another open one. It's not many.
Oh, that'd be perfect for us right there. That's nice and flat. 28 bucks.
There's apparently 39 sites.
39 sites, Candy says. I guess we'll... Ooh, there's a real nice Super C there. At least that's what it looks like from here. There's looks like a shower facility, restrooms. Boy, this weekend this place is going to be going full tilt, it looks.
That's a nice one right there. It's got shade.
Yeah. Here's a camper. 5'1" to 5'8". It's a well-groomed campground. And you can use your, for use at campsite, please return. They give you a rake, a spade shovel, a flat shovel, sort of different kinds of rakes.
You can stay 14 days in any 30-day period.
Okay, that you can stay 2 weeks.
And then you can do another 2 weeks, 30 days later. That way you don't get your vagrancy going on.
Yeah, we don't have that problem here in Minnesota, fortunately.
Yeah.
Leastways not yet.
Yeah.
Okay, that's not a Super C, that's a Class A. Once I get around it, it looks like a big old Class A. That must be the campground host there.
Campground host, yeah.
I'm gonna have a look at. Oh, that's that looks like a shower building, doesn't it?
Yep, it sure does.
Go back around real quick and have a look. Candy says they have a beach here too.
Further down at the launch site where you launch your boat.
Yeah, we'll go have a look there before we head home.
Find joy in the journey.
Yeah, find joy in the journey, everyone. Okay, restroom showers. Let's have a look.
Oh, they got drinking water.
Yeah, they have a drinking fountain. Good, good, good. Closed for cleaning, 12 to 2. Daily. Daily weather reports. Nice bench. Individual showers. Very nice. Smells very clean too. No mold, mildew, no muss. You got a nice changing areas in each one. Very nice. This is a definite for us. It's $28 a night with power. They have 30 or 110, 30, and 50 amp services at each campsite. So it's pretty sweet. Heck yeah! What'd you say?
I said maybe we'll come the day after we get our camera installed in our camper. We're going to be in town anyway.
Yeah, for those of you that don't know, we opted to hire somebody to install our camera in our truck camper because it's so high up, and yeah.
And we don't want to do it. There's nothing wrong with that.
I don't want to do it.
We'll let the professionals handle it.
So there's a really nice trail system here for like your bicycle. And it goes nicely up through the woods there. Picturesque. And this must be the public access to Gull Lake recreation area up here. I see the ginormous lake up ahead. So yeah, we'll have a look here.
Speed hump. I never heard it called a hump. I always you'd be a bump. Well, you can borrow life jackets.
Here's an overflow parking area here.
Remember that time we came to fish down here in Gull Lake and I jackknifed the trailer?
Oh yeah. Boy, that was a lot of years ago.
It was a long time ago. I was trying to be cute and get a close parking spot, and there was nobody here almost. I said, oh, I'll go to get that parking spot. Next thing you know, I'm jackknifing the friggin' thing. That was with the bass boat, wasn't it?
Yeah, I think it was.
I don't think we had the lunge yet.
Here, this is a free public swimming beach here. Let's have a look.
I think I gotta pay $5 for day use.
They got the volleyball net set up now. Looks like it's open for use. I mean, I'm not going swimming, not yet anyway, but I might. see if they have the water station hooked up here.
Shower.
Nope, not yet. Oh, yeah, it's on.
Rusty quick crusty.
Yeah.
Maybe that side's not on yet. They don't got
Yeah, people probably aren't inclined to take a shower just yet. But there's no lifeguard on duty, so otherwise I might be tempted to go out here. Yeah, Candy laughed. Ah, this is nice hard sand though. So we'll be here next week.
Yeah. I'll make a reservation.
Candy's gonna make a reservation. Oh, we're gonna stay the night?
Oh, I thought that's what you wanted.
Are we? Yeah, might as well. What the heck?
Might as well do the inaugural yearly trip close to home.
Look. Look at that. Someone's been out here barefooted. They've been swimming already. It's a sign. I just can't get over it. $28 a night, full hookup. Oh, well, full hookup for power, I should say. And they have the facilities. Yeah. They got to put out the swim buoys, it looks. They got a nice picnic area here.
Oh, beaver.
Where? Oh yeah, look at there. Of course, this is a common sight here in Minnesota. This is why you don't want these beavers in your property.
It's amazing.
Yeah. They have mitt muffs here, so if you're walking your dog, there's no excuse for you not to clean up after him, her. This is U.S. Army Corps of Engineers also. And here's the public access dog walker down here. There's a little trail right there.
Some sort of interpretive trail, obviously.
Candy says it's an interpretive trail.
I think, because I see some placards and stuff.
Okay. And I have boat batteries.
Yes.
So I could bring my boat right down here and launch it at any time. As soon as they put the docks out, which will be any day now. Probably soon. There's a fish cleaning station right there for your convenience. Which that's nice. I like fishing at places that have a full fish cleaning station because you can catch your fish and clean them and bag them and wash them out and everything right here. You don't have to bring a bunch of fish guts home, or if you clean them at home, you don't have to bury them or whatever. You could just do everything before you leave here and take them home and eat them or freeze them or whatever. That's nice. So that's it for today, guys. So say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
See you later.
Oh, look at that big boat that's undercover. See it?
Oh, wow. That's a ship.